Yeah, babe, so I was like, just like, reading the comments on my YouTube, and one of my subscribers was like, you should do more with like a vlog camera out and about, so I think I'm gonna buy a camera now. Like, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna just like set it up and buy a really nice camera, because my DSLR, it's just like so annoying to take out and stuff. I think I'll be doing that. I think my subscribers would like my content a lot more, so yeah, I think by having another camera and stuff, plus I can take it to the wedding and all that stuff, I think it'd be really good. Yeah, I'm gonna order it now. Yeah, I love you too. Bye. Let's see here. They have a sale. I've heard a lot about the G7X. Maybe I should just get that one. Yeah, that'd be really nice. Alright, let's put it into add cart. And we're good. I'm so glad to get it. 5 days too, that's crazy. I thought it'd be way longer. Got my camera, now time to eat. Oh my god, babe, you will not believe what happened. They rescheduled my delivery for my Canon camera by like 3 days. Yeah, I'm really annoyed. Yeah, I know. Now it's gonna take 2 weeks to get here. I'm so annoyed, babe. I'm just like so annoyed. Like, I wish it would just get here. Supposed to come today. I was so excited to do a vlog, visiting your family and stuff. I'm so annoyed. I wish that it would just get here. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my camera. So I'm so excited to like take it out here and do it for you. So here's the camera. It's super nice and all that stuff. I wonder if this cord fits actually, so I can connect it right to my computer, that'd be nice. Oh no, it doesn't fit. That sucks. Well, whatever, I'll just like call Walmart and see if they have one. Hi, yes, I just got a new Canon G7X. I was wondering, my cord's just not the right one. They must have sent me a wrong cord or something. And I was just wondering, actually, if you had a cord for the G7X. Oh, you do? That's perfect. I'll be there in literally like 10 minutes. Just keep it on hold for me. Okay, thank you. Bye. Babe, you'll never guess what happened today. Yeah, I just drove to Walmart after they told me that they had something and they don't have it, so I'm super annoyed. They literally said they were putting it on hold for me. I don't know who was working. Yeah, I don't know. I'm really annoyed because like I drove all that way to like, it'd be nice if they had actually like, like put it on hold and made sure they have it, but yeah, they told me I was out of stock. Yeah, I know, it's frustrating, but I'm going up to Plymouth anyway, so I'll probably just like stop at the Plymouth Walmart or something and call them ahead, make sure they have it. Hi, yeah, so I'm actually gonna be up in the Plymouth area, so I actually just bought a Canon G7X, but it was given, the wrong cord was given with it to me, so I was just wondering if you guys had it. I'd be available this weekend to pick it up if you could put it on hold for me. Oh, you can? That's great news. Alright, no way I'm dealing with any humans anymore. I will just go on Amazon and order it. Let's see. Oh, this one says that it connects with the G7X. Hopefully it does. Let me look at the reviews. Well, no reviews here that it connects to the G7X, so that's good. Yeah. Oh, 2 days shipping? That's perfect. One I got before that came in the box. That's not what I needed. Alright, time to return this. Just put my phone number in, okay. Put my address so they can pick it up. Alright, time to return it and get my money back. Hi, I've been on like a manhunt for a G7X cord. I was just wondering if you guys had it. Real roller coaster ride. I was just wondering. Oh, you do? Are you sure? Okay, I just want to make sure that you're actually putting it on hold. I've had like a lot of trouble with this. Okay, thank you so much. I just wanted to make sure. Alright, I'll be there in about maybe like an hour or so. Thank you so much. So that was the end of what I dealt with for the past month trying to get vlogs out for you guys. I just wanted to do a little skit about it because I figured that it would be a lot funnier than just like ranting about all this stuff that happened and why I wasn't able to get vlogs out for you guys. So I hope you guys like that little skit of how this camera has given me a headache for like the past like 4 weeks maybe. It's just been exhausting trying to get my hands on my camera and in the cord as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I will be vlogging tomorrow, finally. I'm so excited, so I hope you guys check that out as well, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!